Hey.
Hello. Hi, Bish. My name is Brenda. I'm a PCA mom. And I'm stuck here. My son Brayden.
Where are we? Where are we? Oh, we are at the South Bend Community Public School Corporation.
Sure.
We got a complaint.
I have to complain about the PCA.
Listen.
They won't serve gluten-free muffins. It's some bullshit.
And they won't let your son play on the soccer team.
They won't let my son play on the soccer team. Yeah.
All right.
That's basically it. So we're at Ramencon. I am a Jolteon Gijinka today.
And I'm wearing a Fire Emblem hoodie.
Kasey tried again and failed again.
I had a hard 2 weeks.
Yeah. So did I.
So,
Okay, I had like a whole week off.
let's try and find registration.
Alright.
Let's go. I'm gonna dip out.
Alrighty.
That's the convention center. That's the front door. This is so nice. Yeah. It's warm out here. Yeah, this really reminds me of JFAX. But I think JFAX is better. I mean, it's interesting. What do we do so far?
Went to Artist Alley, took some photos, played some video games.
I got a commission done.
Yeah, you're getting a commission in the lobby. I'm touching my ears because they're like,
There's a panel going on over here.
yeah.
It's really loud.
Which I don't think anyone. Excuse me.
There's people sitting down over there.
No, I don't think anyone's going to be able to hear what we're saying over this panel.
Probably not. They'll
Yeah.
hear what I'm saying, not what you're saying.
Ah,
You forced me to play a fighting game again.
yeah, and I won.
Of course you won. Why wouldn't you win? Whenever you lose, it's quite shameful.
It is quite shameful. But I won, so that's all that matters.
I think the phone fighting is going to be starting soon. I wonder how I
I
know
want to go
that.
see that.
What?
I kind of want to go see that.
You can see it. I don't think you can do it though.
Oh, I definitely can't do it. Would I like to see it? Yes.
How did everything been for that? I got sidetracked.
What are you doing?
This is a Juco pose.
Oh, that's the one with the crazy hair, right? We're not doing anything. And we haven't even gone to any panels. We have no interest in going to panels.
Yeah, because there's no panels here that we want to go to. It looks so cute.
Beep. Hey. Boop. This isn't a very interesting vlog. I'm not even in cosplay.
Yum, 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 yum.
Really nothing happening.
There's that.
We were trying to find the quiet room. Instead we found an empty room. Let's show you. Let's show the audience. There's just this empty room. And on the map, it says it's the indoor photo shoot location. But there's just been a whole bunch of people looking in this doorway here and then turning around after they see me. Which I don't blame them, but there's a hole over here.
Should I go stick my hand in it?
Yeah.
All around me are familiar faces.
Worn out places. Worn out I'm trying to. There's a song playing in the background. I'm trying to figure out what it is.
Oh, I thought you were trying to like formulate a response to that sentence. I'm just sitting here like.
It sounds like Royal Pirates.
Keep on drawing the line. 네가 힘껏 나를 떠밀지만.
It is Royal Pirates.
It's Royal Pirates.
Drawing the line.
Oh.
Is there a wild twist? No, there's no wild twist.
So it's the most exciting that's happening.
Yeah, there's a wedding going on or something like that.
Well, we missed all the
And look.
cosplayers running through.
This poor photographer. Yeah, what are they gonna do?
I mean, we missed the spandex wearing.
The cat noir.
I don't know how someone can do
Oh, look at them go. Oh, they're taking all their jackets off. How sweet.
And I think we're ready to play chess. All right. Let's play chess.
I learned a valuable lesson about cosplays that expose any type of skin because I'm fucking cold.
Is the anniversary party still out there?
Oh yeah, so no one can get on the island now, which is like where all the good photo shoots are, because there's an anniversary going on.
It looked
They're
like
all
we
stuck.
thought it was a wedding. So I had the idea that maybe they just waited a few years into their marriage to make sure that they wouldn't have a divorce before spending the big bucks on the wedding.
People get a divorce like what did you say it was like 3 years after
3
they get
years.
married?
Yes, 3
typically?
years. We're waiting for an Idol performance.
Yep, that's 6:30.
Because the one we were gonna watch apparently got canceled. We don't know. It
Yeah,
didn't
thanks
happen.
Ramencon for the update.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna show my Ida bag on the screen. Look, I'm trash. I'm trash. My Hot Wings bag. Have we mentioned the army of Todorokis that are at this con?
Oh, no, we haven't.
It's a thing.
Yeah, so
Specifically because there's a photo shoot titled Todoroki.
just Totoro.
It's also Sailor Moon.
My ears are still hanging in there.
They are.
They're made out of craft wire and fur and
Yeah, I'm surprised. I'm surprised like none of your fur has fallen out.
it's because they give it a good party trim.
Like like the stuffing falling out of the furry during the cosplay
Oh
chats.
yeah, a furry leaked during cosplay chess.
This is the first time we ever actually watched cosplay chats. It was pretty good.
I know, I think I want to do cosplay chess when they have a costume that's not so immobilizing.
We're coming up the stairs, and these people must be part of the anniversary group. The 4 year later wedding.
Business ladies and businessmen.
Well, they're dressed up nicely. I'm pretty sure they're talking about the convention, but one of the guys commented, "What? Do they have seminars or something?" Not in a malicious way, but he was generally curious of what do these anime weirdos do?
Yes,
What
sir.
do the
We do
weebs
have
do?
seminars.
I have a D. Gray Man seminar, not here, but I do one.
Yeah, you should have just had a panel.
Here's the button.
Are you recording now?
We're recording now.
Hello! We just finished off our Ramencon adventure.
Yeah, it was such an adventure. We
It sure
did
was.
so much.
We did so many things. It's not like we sat and talked for like a while.
We went to 20 minutes of a panel.
So what else did we do? Didn't we listen to that performance? Ramencon has terrible acoustics.
Well, because they made the stage be in this like big open area, which is shown in the vlog, and it's just terrible for singers. I was gonna say let's show what we bought, but you're too lazy to get out what you
My
bought.
shit's in the purse. I bought some pins to put on my denim jacket.
And you also
And I also bought a Jolteon keychain because I felt like I needed to. And I bought an Akechi keychain for my Ida bag.
Alright. And what are these?
It's clear and gray from Fire Emblem Shadows of Valentia.
And then,
Oh, but there's more.
because I didn't really find anything else, and I always have like a thing of buy everything D Gray Man. Obviously there was nothing. I got a commission done of Lovey. Lovey. He's so pretty. And when they asked what character I wanted, I'm like, Lovey from D Gray Man. There's a slight hesitation. I'm just like, am I gonna have to explain how to, like, what D Gray Man is and how to spell it? But they're just like, oh,
My bunny!
my rabbit.
My rabbit, yeah, is that what she said?
Yeah. So, oh, right. This is the person's information.
Oh, here.
Here.
I'll help.
We've watched a wedding anniversary thing.
Oh yeah, we watched the continuation of the anniversary.
We did.
We watched people get kicked off the island. That was the
Cosplayers.
saddest ever.
It was hilarious. I don't know
it
what you're talking about.
Because like the island is where you would get all your like outside photo shoots, which is all like all the good photo shoot locations, and they had obviously cordoned it off for
And there were signs
the
saying
anniversary.
you couldn't go there unless you were part of this anniversary. And then there's people going out on the bridge to it. And so since these two people did it, everyone else started moving.
Yeah.
And like as soon as the volunteers they wear orange vests so you know who they are. Like 4 of them ran out there.
Yeah, to stop them, and I'm like, ooh, glad we got our photos early.
Overall Ramencon experience.
I wish the panels had been more like diverse.
It was a lot of just fan panels,
Yeah.
I feel like. Not very many panels where you could like go in and learn stuff. Like there was what did we count? 3 the whole weekend, 3 panels the whole weekend that had to do with cosplay. Or like,
And like one of those was the same panel repeated,
yeah,
wasn't it? So it was 2
I think
cosplay
maybe.
panels.
And like it doesn't have to be about cosplay. It's just like I like learning.
Yeah, it's nice to have like a learning experience for panels.
It wasn't a con for us. There was a lot of younger people there.
Yeah.
I say younger people, children.
This is definitely a con for I think younger folks.
Like almost like high school
Yeah,
or like young college,
like middle school to high school
middle school.
or early high school.
There was some very rude people.
Oh yeah, so Ramencon has this thing where you collect like pictures of 150 Pokemon,
And like whoever
And-
finds the most gets a free badge the next year.
but they put these stickers in panel rooms, which was a really stupid idea because it's just rude.
Yeah, they'd go in
People
and
will go in and be like, are there Pokemon in here? And then leave. And it's like, that's kind of rude.
yeah, they were interrupting the panelists. And like we were in one of the quieter rooms watching Summer Wars because we had nothing to do. And someone just walks in and just loudly asked, "Are there any Pokemon in here?" I'm like, fuck no.
It's like, we're watching Summer Wars. Get the fuck out.
Yeah.
I don't watch Summer Wars. I don't want Pokemon. And people keep asking me where are Pokemon. And I'm like, I get it.
Your
I have
Pokemon.
Pokemon Genjinka. Go somewhere else.
The cosplay chess, I think, was the highlight.
Oh, that was awesome.
That was actually really cool.
I really I would have liked to have done that myself. The car is heating up in the front. Just condensation. If I had been in something where I had like pants and could move more, I would have loved to do that.
So next year, if we decide to go, I feel like the conditions are we actually do the cosplay contest. We try the cosplay chess because that seems like super fun.
Yeah.
And probably have our own panel. We'll probably have a cosplay panel because apparently no one submits cosplay panels here. And I don't know, we know things by trial and error.
If nothing else, maybe I can do a cosplay panel on waistbands.
On waistband.
On hemming waistbands. The hemmed waistband on the skirt is my best work ever. This is the only time on video that I've said my waistband is the best. But I keep saying it over and over and over again. Because it's awesome. It's so neat. I'm like impressed with myself. I did it in 10 minutes. At 11 at night yesterday. Yay. Yeah, I finished this cosplay last night. Is everyone proud of me? You should be. Anyway, we're gonna go get IHOP.
Aha!
See you guys for Youmacon next month.
Probably before that.